Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing great and staying safe. If you are new here, then this is CPA Nirob here. On this channel, we regularly share beginners-friendly tutorials about CPA marketing. My goal is to explain every topic in a simple step-by-step way so that even complete beginners can follow along without any confusion. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an AdBlueMedia publisher account from start to finish. We will go through the registration process, discuss the information you will need, explain the different sections of the application form, and talk about what happens after you submit your application. Before we begin, please remember that creating an account doesn't automatically guarantee approval. AdBlueMedia reviews each application based on its own policies and requirements. Always provide accurate information and follow the network's terms and conditions. Now let's get started. The first step is to open the official AdBlueMedia registration page. You can find the registration link in the description box this video. Simply click the link and it will take you directly to the sign up page. Once the page opens, you'll see the option to create a publisher account. Click on the sign up button to begin. Now you'll be asked to enter your personal information as like your first name, your last name, then add your username. Then choose your password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to help keep your account secure. Then enter a valid email address that you can access. Then select your country, then give your street address, then add state, then city, your postal code, next you may be asked to provide additional information such as your country, phone number, and business details if applicable. Make sure everything you enter is accurate. Incorrect or misleading information can delay the review process or cause your application to be rejected. After that, you'll reach the section where you describe your marketing methods. Here, this is where you explain the traffic sources you plan to use, such as your website, blog, social media pages, YouTube channel, or other marketing channels. Only describe traffic sources that you genuinely use or plan to use in accordance with the network's policies. Take a few minutes to review all the information you have entered. Double check your email address, phone number, and other details before submitting the application. Once everything looks correct, accept the terms and conditions if you agree with them here, then click the submit button. After submission, your application will enter the review process depending on the networks. This may take some time. In some cases, the team may contact you if they need additional information or verification. If your application is approved, you'll receive a confirmation email. After logging in, you'll be able to access your publisher dashboard, where you can explore available offers, reporting tools, and other features provided by the platform. Before promoting any offer, always read the offer requirements carefully. Different advertisers have different rules regarding traffic sources, countries, and promotional methods. Following these requirements is important for maintaining a good publisher account. Here are a few tips for beginners. Always use accurate information during registration. Read the network's policies before promoting offer. Avoid any marketing methods that violate the advertiser's rules. Focus on building quality traffic through channels. Keep learning and improving your marketing skills over time. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you understand how to create an AdBlueMedia account. If you found this video useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials about CP marketing. Thank you for watching.